All right, this is some help with quiz 2.08. This is on volume of pyramids and cones. So, first one gives you an example of a pyramid that has a base area of 76 and a height of 8.4. What is the volume of the pyramid? So here's our pyramid formula. The volume is 1/3 capital B times H. Now the capital B stands for the area of the base. Okay, so it could change depending on what type of pyramid you had. And then H is the height. So they already give you the base area. So that is our capital B. So we can plug in 76 there. The height is 8.4. So when you multiply 76 times 8.4, divide by 3, you get 202.8 centimeters cubed. So remember, when we're talking about volume, our units are cubed because we've got centimeters squared times centimeters gives us centimeters cubed. This one wants the volume of a triangular pyramid. So if we have a triangular pyramid, then capital B is going to be the area of that triangle. The area of a triangle formula is 1/2 the base times the height. Since we have a right triangle, they've given you this picture with a right angle here, then this is our base, 3 is our base, our height is 4, and so 1/2, 3 times 4, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now we have the area of our base. We can plug that into our volume formula. 1/3, 6, and our height is from the vertex to the base is 6. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. Our next one, they want the volume of a square pyramid. And they've given you a little extra information here. So we've got our formula. The area of our base, if it's a square, is simply going to be the side squared. Because remember, the length and width are the same for a square. So 12 squared is going to give us 144 for the area of our base. We plug that into our volume formula, 1/3, 144, and our height is this right here. The height is from the vertex perpendicular to the base. Our height is 8. So 144 times 8 divided by 3 gives us 384. The last two are going to be cones. We have a right cone here. So the formula for our cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. R is your radius, h is your height. So our radius is here, 6 squared. Our height is 8. And now notice the answer choices are left in terms of pi. So we simply want to multiply. 6 squared is 36 times 8. Divide by 3 to get 96 pi. The last one is an oblique cone. And so if you, we're going to use the same formula, 1/3 pi r squared h. Leave in terms of pi. So 1/3 pi. Now our radius is here, 9. And then the height is going to be from the vertex perpendicular to the base. So it's not going to be this one. We're looking for this perpendicular symbol. So with an oblique cone, this is the height. So 16. So 81 times 16 divided by 3, we get 432 pi. Hope this helps with 2.8 quiz.